Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable August Smart Lock installation and HomeKit pairing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials. Make sure you have the August Smart Lock, the installation guide, and a compatible smartphone. Ensure your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi and has Bluetooth enabled. Download the August app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the August app. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. Select the option to add a new device. Follow the on-screen prompts to prepare for installation. Remove your existing door lock's interior side. Use the provided screws and the mounting plate included in the August Smart Lock package. Attach the mounting plate to the door. Ensure the mounting plate is securely fastened. Next, attach the August Smart Lock to the mounting plate. Make sure the lock is aligned correctly with the door mechanism. If needed, adjust the orientation to fit your specific door setup. Once properly aligned, secure the smart lock with the screws provided. After installation, launch the August app on your smartphone. Select the option to set up HomeKit integration. Follow the app instructions to enable HomeKit pairing. You may need to scan the HomeKit setup code found on your August Smart Lock package. When prompted, confirm the pairing with your Apple Home app. Test the lock using the August app to ensure it operates correctly. Take a moment to explore the app features and settings. Customize access permissions for family and friends if desired. You're now ready to use your August Smart Lock with HomeKit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.